especially teacher friends. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 skills that a teacher would need for a job, especially during this COVID-19 era. So if you are a teacher and you want to stand out from other candidates in your interview, you must have these 5 skills with you. All the best, and let's begin. First, being tech savvy. Now, as blended learning is in the pipeline and already teachers have successfully taken online classes, being tech savvy is the first skill that would make you stand out of the crowd, and your lesson plans should be such that they are flexible to online as well as offline teaching. So having that edge would definitely make you stand out. Second skill is the ability to attract students' attention and retain it, which is, if I may say, engaging students. If you can engage students well, you will stand out. And how can you do that? You can do that only with effectiveness in yourself as a person. So in classes also students would be disengaged, but that was physical classroom. In online mode, getting distracted quickly is very common. So if you are able to engage your students, especially in your online class, then you are one of the best. Third thing that would make you stand out would be the knowledge of machine learning and incorporation of AI skills, that is artificial intelligence in learning. If you can do that, you are definitely different than the rest, because many of the teachers would need a formal training for that. So if you already have that skills, then you have really a way to go, because as I said earlier also, that blended learning is the future of education. So having these skills would be a very, very good edge with you. The next thing is know-how of the teaching platforms and tools, online tools for teachers. If you know that, which online platforms are there for quizzes, for exams, for using say a whiteboard in the class, or how to present an interactive PPT in the class, all these tools that are there for teachers. Now this is also an extra edge to you and would make you stand out. The last one is a very common point. Now don't just say that you knew about it. It is effective communication. Now, effective communication had been the first choice for the interviewers for so long, but now it has become all the way more important, because the connect would be online. Last few months, teachers have been teaching students where they have not met each other even once face to face. So remote learning was going on. So effective communication would play a major role in that. So if you can communicate effectively, bingo, that's the way you go. So all the best, teachers. I hope you would follow these tips and would stand out and will be a go-getter for sure. My best wishes are there with you. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. This is Priya Anna signing off.